LangChain versus Phidata. Now, LangChain is one of the most popular LLM workflows, widely adopted for creating chatbots, autonomous agents, retrieval augmented generation, and more. So its process, it has a huge community and ecosystem with many integrations. It also has flexible works with multiple LLMs. It's also great for building complex pipelines with tools, has a strong documentation and active updates. However, it can feel overly complex for simple projects, and the performance overhead compared to lightweight alternatives, and there are also frequent breaking challenges with updates. Now, Pidata, on the other hand, is a newer but rapidly growing open source LLM workflows and frameworks. It emphasizes structured AI applications, making it easier to build assistants, agents, and data apps with fewer lines of code. It focuses on simplicity and developer experience. So the process, the simple and Pythonic API for building AI agents. It's great out-of-the-box tools for data workflows and assistance. It also has lightweight compared to launching with less boilerplate code. However, it has a growing community and fast-moving development. So the problem is, it has a smaller ecosystem compared to LangChain, and it is also newer so the documentation is not as mature. So overall, if you want maximum flexibility, a mature ecosystem, and enterprise support, then LangChain is still the safer bet. But if you want a lightweight, developer-friendly, and modern alternative, then choose Pidata.